Welcome back, posers. In today's How to See tutorial, light falling on an object is reflected by it and falls on the retina of the eye, resulting in vision or sight. And now we will break it down into 4 simple steps so that everyone can understand it. First, the lens needs to direct the light from an image to fall on the retina. Second, it needs to be converted into an electrical signal by photoreceptors. There are currently 3 known types of photoreceptor cells in mammalian eyes: rods, cones, and intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells. Rod cells are cells in the retina of the eye that can function in lower light better than the other type of visual photoreceptor, cone cells. Rods are usually found concentrated at the outer edges of the retina and are used in peripheral vision. On average, there are approximately 92 million rod cells. Cone cells or cones are photoreceptor cells in the retinas of vertebrates' eyes. They respond differently to light of different wavelengths, and the combination of their responses is responsible for color vision. Cones function best in relatively bright light, called the photopic region, as opposed to rod cells, which work better in dim light or the scotopic region. Cone cells are densely packed in the fovea centralis, a 0.3 mm diameter rod-free area with very thin, densely packed cones which quickly reduce in number towards the periphery of the retina. Intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells (IPRGCs) was first suspected in 1927 when rodless, coneless mice still responded to a light stimulus through pupil constriction. 1. This implied that rods and cones are not the only light-sensitive neurons in the retina. The next step, the optic nerve transfers these electrical signals to our brain. The optic nerve is comprised of millions of nerve fibers that send visual messages to your brain to help you see. You have an optic nerve at the back of each eye that connects directly to your brain. And the final step, the brain needs to interpret these signals and associate them with the image we see. And that's it for this tutorial, and I don't want to see you anymore today.